Hello friends, welcome to Tech Plus Automation. In this video, I will explain the complete house MCB distribution board wiring connection step by step. First, the main supply comes from the energy meter in the form of phase and neutral. This phase and neutral supply is connected to the double pole MCB. The double pole MCB is used as the main switch and main protection for the whole house. From the output of double pole MCB, the supply goes to the RCCB. The RCCB protects us from electric shock and earth leakage current. From the output of RCCB, the phase line is distributed to single pole MCBs. Now, all the neutral wires from the loads are connected to the neutral link. Each single pole MCB controls one separate room or load, like room 1, room 2, living or kitchen. Earth wires from the loads are connected to the earth link. This type of wiring gives proper protection from short circuit, overload, and leakage current. Always remember, before doing any electrical work, switch off the main supply. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Tech Plus Automation.